My name's Chris, and in this video I'm going to give you a quick overview of SAP Lumira, and hopefully give you a few reasons why you should be using SAP Lumira as your data discovery tool. SAP Lumira allows you to connect to your data, whether it's on a database or contained in a spreadsheet. We want to help you transform that data into visual elements like bar charts, heat maps, and many other formats so it's easier to understand. This can help provide a good overview of your business. Now, why is it important to change your data from rows and columns of numbers and text? Well, most people have an easier time understanding visual charts and cues. These visual elements allow you to closely follow your activities with greater ease so you can spot trends, identify patterns, understand changes, and uncover elements that may have been missed if left in their original state. SAP Lumira helps you uncover things that may need your attention and help make the right decision. As an end user, you want to be able to create visualizations, dashboards, infographics, and stories quickly without burdening your IT department or taking any special training or educational classes. Now with Lumira, almost anyone can drag and drop dimensions and measures into the visualization section and use the menu functions to get their visualizations looking the way they want them. So let's see how that works. First, you have to acquire the data. Now, you can acquire data from sources like Microsoft Excel or CSV files. If your company's a bit bigger, you might use databases like Microsoft SQL Server, or you can even use SAP HANA. In all these cases, the processes will be very similar and can be done from the home screen. After you've acquired your data, you can prepare and cleanse it to ensure its quality, as well as making sure you're only using the data that you need. Using the summary functions in the data view screen allows you to quickly spot spelling errors, redundancies, and other things that may affect your overall numbers. This Lumira function is particularly useful if your data includes variable data entries that are easily misspelled or have different ways that they can be entered. At this point, SAP Lumira will automatically create measures with quantitative values in your data, such as revenue, profit, number of orders, etc., and dimensions with qualitative values in your data such as products, regions, and dates. You can then use these measures and dimensions to help create your visualizations. So how do you create a visualization? With SAP Lumira, it's easy. Just drag and drop at least one measure and dimension onto the work area, and you're done with your first visualization. You can, of course, add more measures and dimensions to that graph, but it's just that simple to create visualizations that can be understood by almost anyone. You can easily take it a step further by inserting more charts to create additional visualizations on the page and create your first dashboard. You can also add titles, additional text, and incorporating company logos and using company colors give it a professional, unique look and feel. Now, you can get out there and start visualizing your data with SAP Lumira. Thanks for watching.